Hey y'all, welcome to another wig install. This unit that I will be using in today's video I ended up getting from AliExpress, and y'all, this was my first time ever ordering from AliExpress, so I was quite hesitant, but it came extremely fast, and y'all, when I got it, it was of such high quality. Now you guys, I did end up washing this wig before putting it on my head, and it did air dry. I included all of that in my most recent vlog, so if you guys have not seen that video, make sure that you check it out. I will leave it listed up in the cards for you all. But y'all, when I tell y'all this is an amazing wig, I'm going to leave my review at the end of this video, because at the time that I made that review I had already been wearing it for a week, but you guys, now it is going on 2 weeks that I've been wearing this wig, and let me tell y'all something, I am loving it. Okay, this week coming up will be my second week, and I'm going to keep it in. I'm normally not the person that keeps in a wig for longer than a week. In fact, I normally don't keep them in for longer than a few days, but this one right here will be staying in my head for a while. That is one thing that I can say. The lace on here is absolutely amazing. I'm pretty sure I got black, but for some reason the top of it seems to be like a dark brown, which I think is super duper pretty. I have not had any tangling. I've had very minimal shedding. I would say maybe 10 pieces of hair at most when you're combing or brushing it, but otherwise, you guys, beautiful hair, extremely soft, beautiful texture. I just love it. Now, if you're someone who likes to curl your units, I don't think that this will be able to hold a curl, but otherwise it is great. I did end up straightening it. You guys will see when I come back in to talk to you guys that it is bone straight. I straightened it at 450 degrees, and you guys, it came out great. I do not think that this wig is big head friendly, unfortunately. So if you have a head that is bigger than mine, I would say this is one that you might want to skip out on, but I will be trying out some more from AliExpress, and if I find one that is big head friendly, I will let you guys know. My head is not super duper big, so I can't really, elaborate on what wig will be best until I try one, and it probably has like the straps where you can loosen it or tighten it or something like that, but this doesn't have any of those straps, so it's just one size fits all, and if it doesn't fit, then it's like an oh well. So I'm gonna try to find something that is great for my girls with those big heads. Ain't nothing wrong with it, honey. It's just this wig just might not be for you. So I'm gonna leave everything that I'm using in this video listed down below, and make sure that you guys stay tuned for my final review at the end of this video. Y'all know that your girl is a mama, so all throughout this video you can see me just talking to my babies, so don't mind that. But yeah, I'm tying it down for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to let that lace sit and soak up all of that lace adhesive, and I'm going to pop back in and cut that lace off with y'all.
Say hello. See, I'm helping mommy do her hair. Yeah. Say hi-yo. Say hello. Mama, pretty girl.
Y'all, I absolutely love the natural texture of this unit. It reminds me of my natural hair, like when it was long and when it was straightened or blown out. You guys, this texture is so beautiful, and oh my gosh, I can't stress this enough. It is so soft, so easy to brush through, no tangles, so easy to run your fingers through. I just love it, and it has like this beautiful sheen to it. As you guys can see right now, I'm cutting my lace. Now, I have worn quite a bit of lace wigs at this point, and I still get scared and hesitant when cutting the lace. Don't ask me why, honey. I'm not a professional at this yet. I'm just learning as I go. I am self-taught, so I'm just adjusting day by day. But you guys, this wig had quite a bit of lace. I think it is a 13x4, so I was parting it. I don't think that I kept that in this video, but I was parting it to see the different ways that you can wear it. You can wear a middle part if you'd like, and it also comes with the stationary side part, which is the way that I ended up wearing it, but either way is fine. I love this wig so much, and I'm definitely going to leave it listed down below for you guys. Now, as you all can see right here, I'm very lazily flat ironing, which is why I didn't get the results that I wanted out of flat ironing flat ironing it but I went back like a day after this or 2 days after this, and I actually flat ironed it section by section, piece by piece, and you guys, it got it bone straight. You guys are going to see that towards the end of this video. But yes, you all, I absolutely love this unit. I think that it is great. I only paid 90 bucks for it, and y'all, I am obsessed. I promise y'all, I am obsessed. I think that this is my favorite wig right now. I love it so much. So make sure that you guys definitely check out this wig and check out some other AliExpress wigs. I love the vendor that I bought this wig from because you guys, they were quick. It came quick, and y'all, it's just amazing. As you all can see right now, I am hot combing the top just to get it to lay down a bit. It was looking kind of fat, okay? I was looking like I had a football under my wig, and I don't like that. So I'm just hot combing it down, and I used my pomade stick in order to do that. Which y'all, I have a pomade stick which is way more amazing than this, which I used in the days following when I flat ironed and hot combed my hair again. But yeah, y'all, these are the final results, and let's get into my final thoughts on this wig. Got to mention this information, but this is 28 inches, it is 180% density, and it is a 13x4 HD frontal wig. So if you've already been watching this video, you probably already know what I'm popping in for. Your girl has in some hair from AliExpress. Do I have in some hair? Because this is a lace front wig. I have on some hair from AliExpress. Now y'all, one of my friends ended up putting me on to this wig because I was like, girl, what you got in your head? I was at work one day and she came in with this bomb wig on. I looked at her head and I was like, oh yeah, I need that in my life, okay? So I asked her what was the wig that she had on and where did she get it from, and she said AliExpress. So I said, girl, I need for you to text that link to me because I want to get that expeditiously, okay? So she sent over the link, and you guys, I clicked buy, and ever since then I have been absolutely in love with this hair. It is super duper soft, okay? I have had very minimal shedding. I would say little to no shedding at all, very little. I have flat ironed it. I just flat ironed it, and I flat ironed it at 450 degrees, and you guys, this got it bone straight because after I washed it, it kind of went into like a more poofy stage or whatever. This is supposed to be 100% human hair. It's super duper soft, very silky. I have had no tangling, which for me is amazing because y'all know I just came over from the synthetic wig world, okay? So I'm used to my hair tangling after like a day or two and me trying to do whatever I can do in order to maintain it. With this, no, no baby, I didn't have to do any of that, you guys. I'm still slang to the gods, okay? And I am just absolutely obsessed. So I definitely say if you're looking for an inexpensive human hair wig, something that is beautiful in texture, something that you can easily run your fingers through and that's going to still feel soft, that has a nice lace, something that's easy to maintain, check this out down below, okay? You will not regret it. Save your coins, honey. I know we tend to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on wigs and on weaves, but you guys, times is hard out here, okay? So save your coin, put it in your savings account, that $300 that you was about to spend, and just go ahead and get you one of these for $90, okay? Going to last you for a while and you're going to absolutely love it. And hey, as long as you take care of it, it's going to do you good if you do it good, okay? So I'm going to leave this listed down below for you guys. Hopefully you all check it out in the description box. And that's all of the great information that I have to share with you guys on today.